What's up, everybody? Hope you're having a great week or weekend, depending upon when you're watching this video. So every thought you think gets sent out to the universe, whether you are aware of this or not. Every thought you think will arrive there. Now, it's not always easy to think positive all the time. No one can think positive thoughts all the time. But you want to try and think positive thoughts and feel good as often as possible. So the moment you have that negative thought, you can fight against that and think to yourself, oh, I need to think positive. But it's not always that easy. You may be trying to think positive, but you're still feeling negative and you know it. So what do? You're going to acknowledge it and you're going to embrace it. You're not going to pretend it isn't there or push it away or run away from it. You're going to embrace it and you're going to take away all of its power. So take some time to just feel it. If you're feeling angry, take 5 minutes and feel angry, or whatever that negative emotion is that you're feeling. Maybe even take 10 or 15 minutes if you're really angry and pissed off. Feel those negative thoughts or emotions in your body and just feel it until it subsides. When it comes to getting rid of strong negative emotions, stop thinking the thoughts and focus on the bad feeling emotion. Feel it in your body and just feel it until it subsides. It may come back, but then just do it again until it disappears completely. It has been said that if you do this every time you think or feel a negative thought or emotion, that eventually you will free yourself of them completely and your life will get even better. That's because you're facing them head on and taking away their power. The problem with most people is that they suppress their negative thoughts and feelings and emotions, giving them more power, and they thus become a bigger problem in their life. So now after that time is up that you gave yourself to feel angry, you're going to tell the universe to ignore those last 5 minutes or 10 minutes or whatever. That's it. Tell the universe to ignore your thoughts and emotions for that amount of time. It works. It works for me. Then you're going to start generating and feeling positive thoughts or gratitude thoughts. Things that you are grateful for and you feel love towards. Things as simple as clean running water or a 24-hour grocery store when you desperately need food at midnight, or whatever you're grateful for. You'll be right back on the frequency of gratitude and positive thoughts. Please give this video a thumbs up if you found some value in it. Lots of love to you and thanks for watching.